In this video, we are going to see how we can remove the payment details or the credit card details if you have stored this earlier in Microsoft Edge, but now you feel that it is vulnerable and it can be misused, so you want to remove that. Just open up the Microsoft Edge browser, click on the three dots on the top right hand corner and head over to the settings at the bottom. Now in the profiles on the right hand side, you click on manage account. Now on the right hand side, we see the search settings. From here, we write payment and it will be found under passwords and refill. So for example, if you want to head over from here, you click on password and autofill, you click on the payment methods and you basically uncheck the save payment method, and also the save payment methods will appear here. So if any of them is saved, you will find a delete icon next to it. So you just click on this and you should be good to go. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.